Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on Hey Google on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So now I'm provide a very simple method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. At first go to Google, click on to profile and then settings, click on to Google Assistant, scroll down, go to general. You need to first enable this option or go back, click on this, click on, click on to I agree, say hey Google, help me write a thank you note. First step done, and the second step, now say hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow, and then now say okay Google, now say okay Google, set a time for 5 minutes. Okay, just enable this option. Now I'm trying this. Hey Google, now open.
What do you want to open?
Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily turn on Hey Google.